Greetings, and once again, thank you for inviting me onto your screen. Now, in the intermission between yesterday's stream and now, I've managed to work on displaying the skills tooltip. However, there are a few bugs. Namely, the first time you show it, it doesn't follow in any way. And you need to click off it and get rid of it before it goes again. Now, on here, well, there is this. If you keep going down and to the right, this thing isn't going to be registered. So if you go down to the left, it changes, but if you go down to the right, it isn't. That's because these things here have an on mouse over. Unfortunately, this skill tooltip is blocking, and yeah, can't get at it. So I'm in a bit of a pickle. I think I'll probably, as sort of a hacky way of doing it, I'll probably put the tooltip's like 1 or 2 pixels like away from the cursor, so it's not on it, and that should help. Yeah. Also, it doesn't show because I originally had it as on mouse exit to do that, but unfortunately, if I was moving to the right, the tooltip would block mouse input, and therefore it would get focus, and then it would think, "Oh, wait, the mouse has exited from the other thing. I've got to go for him," and then the mouse would, and then if you move the mouse again, it will go back into it, so you get this flickering effect when you moved rightwards or downwards. So yeah, I was going to make something like get the the screen rectangle of the skill in question, but now that I think of it, I think it's probably the best idea if I just put the thing, the tooltip, like have it offset by a few pixels. It just seems like the more simple solution rather than having to get a rect and all that. Also, you'll notice this with deflect projectiles. It's going off screen. Now, what I want to do is that I want to divide the screen up into 4, and then it would go into the tooltip would display on the side that goes towards the center, if that makes sense. So if I'm in this top right corner of the screen here, I want the tooltip to display to the bottom left of the cursor, if that makes sense. Here, I want to display, well, there won't be any mouse overs here. Well, there might be if I just, no, whatever. But if I mouse over, let's say, any of these, I want the thing to display to the top right of it, if that makes sense. Or rather, the bottom left corner should be by the cursor. Anyways, hopefully you'll see what I mean in a few hours or so, once this thing's actually done. So, this skill mouse exit, I think I'll get rid of. Not really much sense. Tooltip show, blah 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 blah. That sets all of that up, except it doesn't because reasons. Put that here. The top control size would be that, so that just handles resizing our thing if a description's like really long or something like that. I might also resize the text if it's that bad. So I think one of the skills I had was contract with the darkness, and that's a pretty long name for a skill. Oh well. Right, what was I doing? So, where am I? Instead of just getting the global position, what have you, I do need to find a way to get the actual screen dimensions. Godot, get viewport dimension. It's this glue really. It's get viewport dot get visible rect dot size. Get viewport dot size. This returns the size of the viewport. The viewport has a size override. Will return that instead. The only size override is only set when the viewport is in 2D stretch. Okay. So I'm fairly sure the viewport has an on resize. I'm definitely sure of that. Size or signals, here we go. Size changed, that's it. Okay. This we don't need. We'll comment it out for the time being. It's vector 2, or is it vector 2i? Get visible rect? Returns the visible rectangle in. Wait a minute. This is from 5 years ago, so it's not going to be psi. Where's that? Here it is. No, it isn't. STF oversize. No, that's not. I'm guessing size just got taken off and we just have visible rect. Okay. It's a rect 2, which I'm not interested in. Oh. That's just capitalization. Fair enough. And position size. Private rect 2 viewport rect. Then get, put it at the bottom. Get viewport. Size changed. Plus equals. Viewport rect equals get viewport rect. Right. Yep. Right, then in input we can say if no wait, bar position equals mouse motion dot global position. Probably cast it to a vector 2i from the start. If position ion dot x is greater than viewport rect size x divided by 2, and then so if it's so by default it's at the bottom right, or if it rather expands towards the bottom right. So if it's on the right hand side, I want it to move to the left. So position. No, wait. Better idea. Bar tooltip position equals position. Then tooltip position dot x. Tooltip position x is equal to position dot x minus tooltip dot size dot x minus 4 pixels. Yeah. It should be an integer. Else tooltip, else tooltip dot position dot x equals position dot x plus 4. All proper. Sure. I could turn this into a unary, but sorry, not a unary, a ternary operator, but I think you just make it a bit more complicated. Plus, it's a bit much to fit on one line. So now we do the same for the y-axis. So the delta from the cursor is actually the half the Manhattan distance from the cursor, but whatever, I'm not that bothered. Position.y, so y goes downwards. So yeah, that's correct. So it's, yeah, viewport does that. I should probably have the half rect size, or whatever you want to call it, as the field instead of the rect itself. Oh well. Tooltip position Y. Alright. Position dot Y minus tooltip dot size dot Y minus tooltip delta from cursor. Else tooltip position Y equals position dot Y plus tooltip delta. Just instead put something like position, no, not position, it will be new vector 2i. Try it. See, this is perfect now. Like that. So. It works with, yep. And plus deflect. The main other thing though is because it needs to resize, you see this often flicker. Inch it over. Yeah. If you inch it over and then it's like that, but you've moved it and then it displays, but I think this input is being called before the logic required to display it, which is causing this flickering effect. I think it's fine as it is. We need to think about the search function, but oh well. Also, what's with this debugger thing? Yeah, I don't know what's causing this. Well, it just seems that the skill tags just aren't a thing. I don't know. It's here. Get all modifier tags, but it's either this is null or this is being null, and I don't know. Yeah. So something like if actually I think it's modifiers.tags that's the thing, because I thought I'd set them to initialize to a blank array, but apparently that's not the case. So if modifier.tags is not null, then do that. Hopefully that will make the debugger not whine. Right, so show skill tooltip is here. I'm guessing, yes, the input gets called that. So yeah, the tooltip again gets set sized, and then because it's, yeah, we'll need to set the position as well. So well, I think first of all we can say viewport rect center, and then viewport rect center equals viewport rect dot size divided by 2. And I think it's because global position gets it from the viewport, so this wouldn't matter. So instead I'm just going to call this a vector 2i. Okay, vector 2 then. Vector 2 it is. This. Then I can just plonk this in. I know it's a micro optimization, but because it makes the code more logically consistent, if you want to call it that. I might change it back if it turns out that we might need the actual viewport rect, fully for another thing, but so accidentally deleted a curly bracket. Ori position and orient tooltip according to quadrant, blah blah blah. Okay. And I think I might want to extract this into its own method. Also, I've commented out because for some reason this tooltip visible, I think it might be bugged, or it might have been due to the whatchamacallit, the tooltip being redone every frame. Like then it gets done in this. I don't know. Can't spell position. Go figure. Position tooltip. This would be see if this works now. Tooltip won't be visible. So that when we are showing it, we will also position it. Oh shit, how'd you get the... Oh? Oh. Right. See if this... No, you've still got that flicker. Yeah. There. That point position. Doesn't seem to make sense because there's no real reason why the... Because they're both here. Or rather, hang on. Yeah, it just takes the size of what it was previously. So cleave's there, cleave's normal. Then go harrying rush, and then go on to cleave. It keeps the same size from harrying rush. It's a bit odd. Is it because I have these in the wrong order? Guessing that's it. Right, for now, the skill will be set to null, just so that it's consistent across, and then probably later on it'll say, okay, get the entity that's being shown, this guy, and says, okay, if this guy's casting it, then apply all the currently active passives from there. Okay, we can get rid of these print statements. Oh shit, I don't have the ability to score. I haven't put the ability to score descriptions, I haven't put those in. Well, I haven't written those down. Yeah, this is alright. There's a bit of a flicker on the first thing we can do about that. And you've still got that flickering, well. Also the affect self and then cleave probably doesn't have the targets put in. They've still got these old, yeah, it's still using the old size. It's I think I need to set a minimum size and then go from there. This power attack fits quite well and lacerates. This skill tooltip. We said it's into full rect. That doesn't do it. Of course it will. Which leads me to believe that the tooltip contains a full rect. The V-Box container is in which case I said it's a fill. Hopefully that won't break the hopefully that won't break what I've put in. So there's still a, I think it's still the, can't get the tags or something like that. Okay. It's still, I mean, it's not completely broken, but I don't know. It's just not updating. It's modifier tags is not null, which probably means that modifier is just null. If modifier is not null and modifier tags is not null, hopefully that'll do it. I know it's a bit papering over the cracks, but oh well. Plus I want the ability score tooltip to be showing. Yeah, this pixel font, I'm not, I might just change it, honestly. Oh well. I think I can just duplicate this scene and then rip out everything that has nothing to do with it. Hang on. Ability scores, here we go. So physical power. I want to use the word strengthens though in the description of strength. means that physical attacks means that most physical attacks. Yeah, okay. I capitalize physical, and then I can capitalize magical as well. A higher dexterity means that physical attacks are more accurate and are more likely to result in a critical hit. Remember? A higher constitution means that the player means that higher constitution means that the entity, no, the person, means taking less damage from physical attacks. Melee-based physicals. A higher intelligence. A capitalized critical hit? I don't think I should. And she's used to use skills. She's used to invoke skills. In a higher chance to evade both physical and higher charisma, lengthens the potency and duration of any skills. that's all written down, so we can find this close this into the UI folder before I forget. Then we can duplicate this. Yeah. The skill tooltip, it will be app score. Tooltip. This. Right. This. Go. Detach the script. Someone else. Keep the name. Everything else. This, 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 and this. Get rid. Delete. Probably just put this into. Yep. Which means that these can go name above description. New script, ability score. Tooltip.cs. Private static, read only, dictionary of late, no, in I'll put this into the actual project so that I can actually have a look at what's going on. Right. Entity ability score, that's it. Well, hang on, if this the entity ability score is pretty much an int, so what we can do instead is string. Oh no. Actually, no, I'll export it instead of hard coding it, because if you hard code it, then it wouldn't be able to be translated, and if I want to translate this later, it's going to be a right pain. Now I can change the enum values to strings, so we don't need to put in the strings ourselves, the app score names ourselves. Public set, no, void set set ability score. underscore type. I think got some RSI, my pinky. Just mentioned. Hopefully it'll work. Yeah, my fingers have slept funny on my hands. Unfortunately. Oh dear. Alright, enter tree. Because of all these underscores, I hit the right shift and I pivot my finger, but of course there's so much weight on my pinky finger, it's giving me... Yeah. Oh well, equals get node. I think I might actually end the stream early and just have a sort of off day tomorrow. Just let my hand heal. I've been typing pretty much all week. Oh well. Type label. The get node label, and it's VBox container slash name label. Shit. I need one of them typing gloves. Sure. Then score name label dot text equal to oh, that's not going to work because max health is one word. Actually, what I can do instead is, instead of going to string directly, we instead also a string, not a void. Return return strength. Except this is gonna... oh well, it's technical debt if I want to get it translated. Right. Oh yeah. Lock this on and build. Measure of the ability to not be distracted. What's a dictionary definition of focus? We can just go by that. Verb, or rather, close attention, concentrating. The ability to concentrate while casting. Yeah, okay. The ability to concentrate while casting. Sure. Charisma. A spiritual power or personal quality that gives individual the ability to exert influence. Sure. No, exert influence? I don't know. There we go. That off. Yeah. Probably say it's custom minimums. Update. Do that except for if I this. Size is 560. Round this up to 600. technically the S should be capitalized. To be consistent and change as few things as possible. Of course, the horrendous build times kind of makes. Alright. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Instead of used to invoke, I'm going to put spent to used. Spent to use, yeah. There we go. Right. Hope then. That's all saved. Now we can go back to our equip. We replace this placeholder abscore tooltip. And I'll change this to description. Abscore ability is here. Go now. Schools. Character status abilities. Right. Everything. Ignore. Yes, mouse. Oh. All of these. Ignore. Mouse. Ignore. Shit, I'm gonna click 30 times, aren't I? Because I can't do stuff properly the first time. Even these spaces things are just ridiculous. I don't know why I put them. I think actually, to tell you the truth, I have no idea why I put them there. Because all it's done is made, yeah. Oh well, I can put that to ignore. Yes. Now if I just put the word spacer onto here, take all these and bullet. Now I can take all these labels. In a side they they fill expand, but in which case the horizontal these expand. Well, no, they don't expand. You can see it right here. They don't. Shrink end. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Except now you've got the... No, that's fine. We can just... There we go. And just keep the separation as is. These two all ignore, right? And then these mouse pass, that's fine. So I'm gonna have to do this 10 times. Fuck. Because you can't mass add signal listeners. Kinda sucks, but I will. Right, character status screen. We're gonna need... Yeah. Right. Private entity ability score. Tool tip displayed app score. This will be nullable. Positioning the tooltip's fine. No, wait, we'll put the skills and the app scores together. Private void. No, show app score. Tool tip. Entity ability score. Except no, because when I connect the signals, entity ability score won't be a thing, so it's going to have to be an int. So tooltip displayed app score equals yes, I know I'm missing the go. Tooltip.show. Oh, I should probably set. Yeah, that might help actually. Tooltip.show. App score tooltip.visible equals true. Actually, I can probably just be lazy. Oh. Excuse me. we know it has a value because we set it here. Right. Private void hide app score tooltip. Int app score. Tooltip displayed app score equals null. So the reason why we call deferred is that if we leave one tooltip and then go straight to the next, if we leave one tooltip and then go straight to the next, then this gets set to null, and then the show app score, so this gets set back to full. So this is why we defer it to the next idle time, because we don't want to hide it if we've moved on to another one. I can just do the same on this. Right. Alright, now I need to put the whole mouse entered and mouse exited. Bull crap. Oh, this is gonna suck. Okay, int add go app score. Fuck, I didn't build. Oh, okay. Now let's try it. And the reason why I can't just delete all these, can't delete all of these and then put these on and redo them is because oh no, is because I have to add these additional arguments, and if I did that, if I got rid of all these and then just duplicated this after adding them, these will all be 0, and so it'll show the skill. It'll show the tooltip for max HP for all of them. And for some reason, I mean, I could go in and edit them. Actually, you know what? That might actually no, because then I'd have to redo all of these. So you know, it's a case of pick your poison, really. Hide app score. Actually, you know what? I did say pick your poison. I think we'll pick the other one. Having to search for app score all the bloody time is a bit, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm gonna need to set the whole thing back to, yeah. Probably should have done it the other way. Not too late to back out. There we go. Yeah, probably do more clicking than actual typing. What with my pinky and all. Oh. Go app score 1. Find app score. I just. Oh no, because then. I'll copy that. 2. Or I could not be an idiot and not score skin its app score. One, two, three. Yes. 2. 4. Can't use the mouse wheel. Have to click. I'm aware that the Hide App Score Tooltip doesn't really do anything. Wait, yes it does. No, it doesn't. Or whatever. If I disconnected it now, then these thing will pass an int and it will roll wobbly because it can't pass an int. Hide App Score Tooltip. Copy. Nah, 5. Eight, 8, 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, that looks well and good. Right, now let's try it. So, skill tool. Oh my word. What the ability school. Oh, I haven't bloody. Yeah, right here. Wait, what? Set it here. So what else is ability score tooltip dot visible equals pulse. Ability score tooltip equals that. Means I've misspelled it. Ability score tooltip container. Oh, Cuckanora. Hopefully, if I save that and then it does not. Oh well. Okay, now let's try it. Take 2. Okay, but the actual spells just aren't. The skills. Oh, okay. Apparently they work now. Yeah. I measure the physical first one. This high strength means that most melee-based physical attacks do more damage. Ability to aim attacks at higher dexterity means that a higher physical attacks are more. What? Maximum health, maximum energy. Oh, I've got them all in the wrong order. I'm gonna. Oh, fuck! This is the worst possible thing. I'm gonna have to do it all over again because you can't just shift. You can't add elements from the top. You have to add them from the bottom. I've done them in the order that they appeared on Zim rather than the. Okay. Extensity charisma. So max health. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shift everything down. Okay. Max health. Max energy. Okay, now we go from strength. Okay. Save. Let's try it. Okay. Look, it looks like we'll probably need to resize everything, resize the tooltips to 0 because you can see this. It's like, yeah, something like bring this all the way down and then. Okay, let's try it now. This is set to false, so the size should be set, but it's not for some reason. Bing. Unless the size doesn't change until the next frame, but you can see I can make the whole thing like that and then it just goes normally. Oh. Well, at least the positioning's fine. I think I might actually have the panel be completely opaque, because you can probably see here that you've got text here and you've got text there, and it could probably be distracting. Just gonna have a Starbucks flat. Have the text says about this. That'll do. Could probably set the margins to Eight. No, don't want that script again. Okay, so show the skill and the app scores. There's up there. The child control change, and then yeah. This isn't updating until the next frame. Did it? I don't know. Use window.child control change to update it when children notes have changed. At least go in the other order, then. Let's see if this works. Okay. If I hide the tooltip, then just show it. How does it work? God damn it. Like I set these two. I set the the visibilities right, but then I've changed them size, and it's just like it's only this size changes, but then for some reason the skill tooltip just I don't know what's going on. I have something to do with this. It wants to get its full rectangle, but if I put it to the top left like that, and then if I set the custom minimum size to 600, how does that work? I mean, I probably screwed over the whole tooltip in combat. Same thing. Well, if I set that to... It might be because I had this visible. And then that shouldn't work. Because I've set the whole things to invisible and then it should go like that. What if at the start I did something like skill tooltip dot visible equals false. Same with the app score tooltip. Then tooltip dot on child control. Child controls changed. Tooltip dot hide. See if that works. Nope. What if it was originally visible and then made it invisible? This. Then if I reload. Nope, still the same size. If I change its size to 0, and then hopefully it'll force a re-update. Nope. Don't get is that this get contents minimum size should be ed.print. Probably the get contents minimum. Probably the child controls changed and then it doesn't update until the next frame? I don't know. But no. Come on, output, show me something. 616733. Six 16208. Okay. Skill tooltip dot size equals skill tooltip dot get contents. No, get child? No. Child controls. That's a window, not a control. open this and then go to our get contents minimum size. That's the window though. Fuck. Well, yeah, there's this really weird behavior that when I reset that and it just wants the size to be this 733. I have no idea what's causing it. Don't think I've only set custom minimum on the x-axis. Same on here, it's 267, but for some reason it's resizing itself to 733 or whatever it was. I don't know. I don't know if it's the description label that's causing it to be like that, and then thing is, if I put this to 0, is this labels with water opener must have a custom minimum size configured to work correctly inside the container. But I don't know, I'll try it without. It just feels like I don't know, that the X is 0 and it wraps to that end and it's completely out. Yep, nothing. Wait, what if I did a skill first? No, it's still the same. It just doesn't resize. It just won't resize if it's. For some reason it's this. It's for some reason the skill tooltip size keeps going up to that, and then that makes this go like that as well. And then when I resize it, it goes back to its original size, which I don't know. I don't know. I do this. How does that work? If car control changing does requests an update, it doesn't do the update. Which is probably why I'm gonna have to do the same thing. For some reason it just resizes itself and yeah. I don't know. I really don't know. Why it resizes to this. This size is 267, right? And the custom minimum size is 600. And I go in here, it just resizes itself. Why is this happening? about this? Is there anything wrong with this? No. Just fills it out. So it fixes once I've done what? I've set the tooltip size of that, but the skill tooltip is... So the skill tooltip needs to be visible, then invisible, then it's... I don't know. Tooltip child control change. Da, 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 da. Shit. What if I did something like... something like, I don't know, cool, deferred, resize tooltip. Then private void resize tooltip. Take all of this. Okay, there is a 1 frame delay, but I think that's probably gonna have to... Yeah, that's gonna have to do. See if this works. I think got some sort of pseudo race condition happening. That's no. This just hasn't updated. I did this once before. I know I did this once before, and I have no bloody clue where I put it. To signal this scene tree signal name process frame. Yes, get tree, scene tree, okay. Process frame. Okay. If this doesn't work, I don't know what will. Nope. Nothing. Just something that the skill, despite... No, because the thing is that it's like if one's being shown and then one gets visible, and then it's like its size hasn't been put in, which means that there's gotta be a way to force refresh the skill tooltip. Set from set skill placeholder skill. No, that only applies if we're watching the thing itself. Set skill tags, set targets, category tags, that's that, and then if I start off with them both still invisible, then what? No, same thing. Fuck. I'm at a loss. I'm at a complete loss. I don't know why this thing, despite being, you know, this normally just somehow wants to make its parent container exactly 733 pixels high. It just defies all logic, really. There's nothing here. There's nothing here that says, I don't know. Thing is, it's the same story here. But this time it's 741. Oh, I'm probably gonna have to go up here and then see what I did here, if that has any child controls change, set the size, unfocusable, if it's not visible, invisible. I don't know. skill tooltip. Rather, hang on. Skill tooltip dot size equals. If I set the size in code, that might help. Or it might not do anything. It probably won't do anything. Nope. What's causing these? It's set everything to 0, but these sizes to 0, and probably because it's getting it's. Feels like that for some reason these are getting going to the minimum, but then okay, one last throw of the dice. I'm going to reload the project, see if that helps. Now that I've set everything to, you know, not yeah, save. Nope. Make it visible, then just resizes. 650 by 300. And just yeah, it just for some reason, while it's yeah, the skill tooltip, it's just won't. I can set its thing when it's invisible, but when it's visible, I can set it when it's visible, when it's invisible, it just goes in, and then when I select this and then something else, it goes. When I set it invisible, it goes straight back to 733. Why is that? Okay. Godot control resizing on hide. No, not resing, resizing on hide. How to force Godot to recalculate control nodes. Find node, your container, blah 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 blah, set visible true. This causes into Change parent controls minimum size to vector 200 after changing font size momentum into the trick. Made some progress, complete UI, signed up a little bit overall controls, vector min size equals blah 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 blah. Then it was blah blah blah. Item rec changed. Canvas item emits signal. Item rect change. Not refreshed. Like the visibility method. I mean, we can try it. The tooltip. Can I do that? In tooltip dot GUI focus. No. Size changed. Minimum size changed? I don't know. Why is tooltip I can control the pop-up panel, which it is. So nope. Go to project settings, stretch. Oh no. Scale mode to... Nope. Oh, this is probably... Set the control... A little late to this, but to any future readers, you just need to set the contents within the control node to anchor to the center. Or set it to position instead of anchor. Is... oh, I did it like... Okay, let's try... Nope. Okay. Layout mode uncontrolled. What? And so if I go to here, not this, I equip. There we go. Nothing. It's uncontrolled because it doesn't have a. What if instead we did something like. Okay, and then we can. Yes. Okay, now let's try. And now it just doesn't show it at all. Nothing in debug. Maybe this to ignore all events. Fuck! Oh, it's because the nodes have gone. Wait, no. No. That shouldn't affect anything. Ah. This doesn't work. I might. I don't know. What if I made them into separate windows? Because it seems like it's the one of the other that's causing this whole kerfuffle. So if I just set them to one thing per. Because yeah, look, that's really long, like 700 long, and then if I reload. And then go to here, you can see it's not as big. I'll move it all the way over here, so it's not. Yeah, I think might have to change everything. If I did something like this. Right. I'm stream for 2 hours, time for a tea break, eh? When I get back, I'll do this whole 2 Windows solution, see if that works. Should do. I mean, this. But then again, I've said that pretty much everything else I've tried should work. Oh well. See you in a few minutes. doing. Okay. Uh, um, Okay, that's everything. Hopefully. Oh. Okay, let's try it now. Oh, we've got, yeah, errors. Maybe not. Huh? Okay. There we go. The skill tooltip pop-up. These are wrong. I've said the word tooltip so many times, it seems like an actual word. Oh, it's not sure. Of course. Yes. I did this. Score tooltip pop up. Do the same with skills. Well, it works, but there's this little flicker at the end. Plus, we've got focus is on dexterity. Oh, fuck. I thought it would go, like, downwards, but no, it goes... Wait a minute. This, yeah. Intelligence. That's dexterity. Constitution, focus. So it should go strength, intelligence, dexterity for. Why? Why me? I broke the whole fucking thing in the first place, that's why. Okay. So this is HP. 0. 1. These are fine. Strength is good. Actually have the order here. So this, instead of dexterity, should be int, which is 3 or 5. Dex needs to be 3. Only there was a way to have the grid go the other way. Is there a way to have the grid go the other way? No. No, of course, that'd be too easy. Focus is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Con is 4. Yeah, 4. Willpower is 9, 8. No, it isn't. 7. Got to put charisma on there. Which means it's right. Yeah. Agility 8, charisma. Okay. Looks now. Maximum energy, health. Oh shit, was it? Oh, it's back. I don't want to. Oh. Even the. Oh. Yeah. I don't want to live on this planet anymore. Max health, max energy, strength, intelligence, dexterity, focus, constitution, willpower, agility, and charisma. Skills are fine. Okay. what did I do on... This, I... Set skill, child controls change, size. Get minimum size, position, unfocusable. So, wait, child controls changed, then you set the size. Whereas on here, child controls changed. Oh. Child controls changed, then we call deferred on there. Oh, okay. Okay. How about the hidings then? Okay. Because it was setting this hide thing that causes the things to go to that weird size in the first place. I don't know. No. Also have to wait for so bloody long trying to get the whole. I don't know. It's just when it's demand this particular size. Yeah, this one stumped me. Fortunately. Oh well. Okay. Now to do the equipped spells, skills. So, everything except this closed. Right. No. Outer type variations. If other type variation, other type variation, if I put it onto here, does that make the sub-labels the center? Yeah, just have. I don't know. Or thing is, with the grid container, there's no way to. Wait, yes, there is. As well. There we go. May want to stick everything in and maybe stick everything in the margin container as well. These a theme called classical container item. If I would change, I put this. If I cut that. Same with these. Doesn't gonna have that go to here. Oh my word. Because yeah, so it doesn't affect them if I have them. Which probably means I'm going to need to make my own theme. Shit. Or what I could do is instead put our class still container back here. That to be all. Save that. Yeah. There we go. We're back to normal. Probably have overrides. Except I can't put the overrides onto the. Oh. I don't want to have to. Right. I don't know what I can do. These themes. You pop UI out. It? No. Out status. There we go. No. UI theme. If only there was a sort of an auto size for each one. This would be a lot simpler. I were to duplicate this into equip skills. No, everything except button panel contain. No, keep panel. This can enable a rods add class skill contain. Right. These is right, so these should also no, but then there's got to be a way to drag and drop. Okay. What? How am I going to get that out? I think I might need to make another scene. Equipped skill container item. Also, I need to. This is also a drag and drop. Put this drag and drop tutorial. You can just pull the mouse. Blah 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 blah. Yes. Oh, this is fucking 2Ds, isn't it? Shit. Okay, so we can't do this because our what we're drag and dropping is actually in a container. So what we're going to need to do is probably make another scene that can be dragged and dropped. Probably just make it a, I know, a control. That's probably just a child of that. Then it would be sort of have its modulate set to semi-transparent. And when you drop it, it'll get what's here and then set the equipped skill like that. I'll give it about an hour. I want to catch Tenma's stream. 6 o'clock. So this would be what? On kinematic body 2D input. Yeah, that can fuck off. It's not a kinematic. It's not a kinematic body. Okay. Control mouse. No, it would have to be. What would it have to be? Oh, the bloody old I know. Right, let's make this thing. So, our skill container item. I said show in file system. There we go. We duplicate this to say equip skill container. I open this new one. A bit fatter. It's gonna be like this, isn't it? I don't want. There's got to be a way when you're editing a scene to have like the root, just to specify sort of root as to how it's going to look in a container without it actually being the root. Okay, I'll do it like this. Right. You can't set a panel as the basis of it. You have to have it like this. Maybe if I just made this a panel container and right. Detach the script. Now get rid of this. For the time being. Then I need to get a sort of dragging off it. I'll need to create another one and then let it self-modulate something like this. No, not self-modulate. Okay. Then this class skill container right on click. This just has a set from. So right, so to stream something like private all container item. Gotta be a way to the mouse exit and a mouse over. Yes. And then the button has so we press it. start or something like that. Press. No, it'll have to be button down. I just want to click and drag, not just click. On. Down. Maybe it's void. Down. And then we'll probably make another signal. Oh. I thought the BGM had cut out, but just my browser. Taking up 486 megabytes. Fucking Chromium. Anyways, we've got this mouse down event handler, and that goes into there. So then we need the class skill container. No, don't need. Wait, yes we do. Because we initialize it, and in this initialize, this is where the items get populated. So that one is going to continue. Back to the green zone. Private. We'll have it a panel for now. Skill, drag, or have a dragged skill. probably add a script and populate it later. It might be that we can use skill. We can just recycle the skill container item. Actually, I think I can do just. Then I can put the if false. I might expand this to include passive skills, basically get rid of the cost and cooldowns. Yeah, just hide those and just show the name. Drag skill on there, from on skill drag up here. Then wrong. I forgot to set this. Ready. What's wrong? So bloody unresponsive. Can you just do something about this unresponsiveness on playing instead on playing instead of the poll? Rewriting the rendering engine. God knows how many times now. drop down. Skill mouse down equals on. And the skill. Guessing it's no, because the mouse over is still showing, but the on skill track just isn't. What if we did this? No, because that wouldn't. That wouldn't do anything because it's on mouse down. Not on pressed. Action mode button presses. Yeah. Oh. Mouse down to play skill. Mouse down. Yeah. Mouse down to play. On skill, mouse down. Signal, mouse down. Skill. Yep. Right. Not. Oh no, I have to wait for this whole bloody thing to actually get its arse in gear. No, the event's just not being fired. On mouse down. Mouse down. What? What the fuck? Why did it get deleted? Yeah, that was weird. Come on. Yes, the mouse down is getting fired. Okay, what about in container? Okay, so it's not applying on skill container. But it is on skill mouse down, on skill down, on skill mouse over, on skill mouse down. Put the button. That would make sense because the thing's getting, yeah, the bounce down's getting fired and then it's just getting sort of swallowed up by the collapsible container. But if the signal's being fired, then it should be taken. In container. Why are these getting, but this one isn't? For some reason, this isn't firing, even though the signal's being emitted. Mouse down event handler. Emit signal, signal name mouse down. on mouse down. Mouse down, that thing's getting thrown. When you emit the signal of mouse down on here. So why is this not happening? Only other thing I can fit. Mouse down item, mouse down displayed skill. Active skill, displayed skill, and it doesn't display skill. It's the exact same as the mouse over. So why is this being swallowed? Active skill. On skill mouse exit on. Oh, it's here. It's only doing it if you're creating a new one, and I forgot. Oh, yeah, that one's on me. Oh, all right. Right. We can. This time we can just delete and recreate because there's no custom bindings we need to put in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right now. There we go. All right. Sure. So this is fine. We can get rid of this. And this. Alright. Tooltip pop-up dot hide. Wait, I did hide it and not set. Yeah, sure. All right. Else if dragging skill. Dragged skill. Position. Equals. Actually, no. Position. Dragged. Keep it consistent in style. There's only one dragged skill. Well, so we don't need to swing in here. No, it's mouse position minus drag skill dot size divided by 2. And on skill drag. Position drag skill. This. Dragon. And of course, because the equip skills is if it's blocking that, it wouldn't show. But apparently, if you jerk the mouse up quick enough, it okay. So probably show skill, but if we're dragging a skill, then return, then just drop it into here, then boop, it should show. Skill to pop. Okay. Here we can probably just put if dragging skill. Return. Same with the ab score. Right. I'll go to 15 minutes past. No, sorry, 1:45 past. And yeah. So 15 minutes. See what I can do. This is equip skill container item. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We'll need its phone theme, which we have right here. I think I'll rename this to equipped skill, singular. Oh, okay. Guess it just saves everything for you. Class skill container. Then we renamed this to. Well, you can't rename it because that would be too easy. Okay. Set. No. Oh, we'll just call it class skill container. Add a type called empty. Oh, fuck off! Oh, bloody editor crashed. Fortunately, I'd saved everything, so I don't think we've lost too much. Come on. Okay, if I make a type called empty, skill not set. Okay. Oh dear. I'm gonna have to check. Does that actually crash the editor if I just put empty as a type? Okay. What is this? This one. panel. Theme, don't want UI theme, status equipped skill. Get rid of skill not set and then put skill set as well. So panel skill set. Then we can get rid of skill not set. What? I don't want to get rid of both. Ah, panel skill set. Base type is panel. I can add panel skill not set. Base type is also a panel. Right. For now, I'm going to have a flat. Do not draw the center. Instead, have a white border. And then four, 4, 4, 4, corner radius 12, 12, 12, 12. That. Then panel skill set would probably be, we'll copy this. Paste that, make it unique. Then do draw center. That. And yeah, I'll probably make the what would I make? I'll probably make the actual textures later on, because I'll probably have a sort of a broken line, dashed line with a little plus sign in the middle. Okay. But is there a way to... No, because I have to set textures and then tiling will be based on that. So we call this panel skill set. Oh. Not changed. This is a panel, right? Yeah, it's a panel. Panel. So, why is it? That might be it. Right. Margin container. Stick our HBox container in there. Like that, so the button's on top. All right, because why not? There we go. Pencil not set will be like that, and yeah. all this skill container. Then make it. Yep, like that. Add another one. Panel, drag. This type is a panel. Not texture. Just the same but without the border. Then we'll change everything to whatever. So yeah, if drag drop active, then set the themes thing to whatever. If it's not, no, if it's empty, then set it so this is visible and this isn't, and then set the theme to the ones. If it is a skill, then do that, and if we drag and drop, do that, and just ensure that, okay. I would write the script, but like I said, I need to do some very quick errands and then catch 10 minutes stream. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are in the world. Ta-ta for now.